guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little bit different than the norm. I am not going to be just doing a product review on this liquid gold for your skin, but I'm actually going to be pulling in some aspects and going over some stuff with you on the actual company that holds this product. Now, the product that I'm going to share with you guys today, I feel it really is a diamond in the rough when I say it's liquid gold for your skin, because I think it's something that I'm sure maybe some of you have heard of, but maybe a lot of you don't know the actual uses and nutrients and things that it has that it can bring to your skin. And I have been using this personally since I was like 15. My parents used it. It's just been one of those things. And I know if you guys have been on my channel before, you know that I love to try new things. And I like to switch out my products, especially like shampoos and stuff like that, which if you guys missed that video, I will definitely have it linked somewhere here for you guys to check out. So if you're interested in that, check it out. But I'm sure you guys know that I like to switch things out. Now, I have tried other lotions, I've tried other moisturizers, I've tried things that for like me, my kids, now that I'm a mom, I've even gotten like my husband to use it, but I've tried so many different things as well to incorporate, and I have always had this particular product on hand no matter what, and literally it is my go-to. It's the #1 thing that I've used continuously since I was in my teens, and I will continuously use probably until they either stop making it or I'm not here. Okay, so let's just jump right to this product and then into the company. It is the original Udder Balm. Yeah, original. Yes, very original. And this one is a moisturizing cream, and this is what I use. And I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how I use it, where I use it. I honestly use it all over my entire body, from head to toe. Yep, head to toe, everything. It's great, fabulous, wonderful. So I'm sure you guys, if you haven't heard of this, Udder Balm is something that they actually made for farmers for udders on a cow to keep them moist and from cracking because they were always milking them. So yeah, I guess you guys are probably looking at me like I'm crazy right now, but I'm not. I still get carded at the grocery store, so I am not gonna complain about this. And I'm a mom of 3. So yeah, before we dive into what's in this bad boy, how it feels, how I apply it, I do want to talk about the actual company that makes this particular original Udder Balm. And it's called the Original Udder Balm. So MBMA Corporation is behind the Original Udder Balm, which is where I get this. And they literally, they're on their website, it's plain, it's simple, and it works. And I love that. And the main reason why I want to talk about the company on top of this is because we've literally been, my family is when I say we, like when I was a teenager, my parents have been getting this stuff literally from them since then. And so, I mean, this product's been around since 1989. Not the product, but the company's been around since 1989, and my parents have been purchasing it from them. And what's really, really cool is they are a family-owned business, and every time we've made an order, and even till now, like I actually just talked to Mark, because it's owned by Mark and Becky, just the other day when I made the order, and it's so nice. Like, it's just super easy. If you have questions, they have a website. They have so many new products and everything up to that I'm just gonna like touch on for you guys. I'm just gonna share a little bit off of their About Us page. I won't read everything, but as always, I will have everything linked in the comments below, so it'll be there. But it's just really shows, I don't know if anyone else does that. I know for me, like I always check out the About page, because you always, like for me, like I want to get a sense of where am I getting my products from. And I love their story. I love, like they even have humor, and it just brings their personality out in their particular one. And that's what I look for. And when the product is good, because obviously I wasn't doing this when I was 16, but it's like when the product's good and it's consistent, and then you do a little bit of back research, it just pulls everything together, and that's why I'm sharing this with you today. So let me just read a couple things that I thought were really awesome. We are a family-owned business in West Des Moines, Iowa, the heart of the Midwest, and we strive to provide the best products and services possible. We started in 1989 as a computer consultant firm, serving clients mostly in and around Iowa. 2000, it seemed logical to use our computer background to open a small retail website selling and shipping our original Udder Balm, our favorite product manufactured by one of our consulting clients. And then as the website grew in popularity, we added a few more products to our lineup. And by 2007, our little website was shipping thousands of orders and keeping skin soft and smooth all over the country. We feel it is important to support American workers, especially in the current economy, so we source everything possible from U.S. manufacturers. Our labels, our boxes, our jars, our pumps, assemblies, and of course our products and what goes into them are all USA sourced. We do not purchase anything from out of the United States that we don't have to. We do not skimp on quality to save a few cents. Our official company name is MBMA Corporation, but our little website is known as theoriginaludderbalm.com. It is just easier to find us that way. We are still a small family-owned and operated company, and you usually get one of us on the phone when you call, and we love to get personal service, and we love to give it. So, and then it says, thanks for stopping by, Mark and Becky. So I think this is really cool. Like, it just puts a real feel. Like, our about page I thought was cool because it was like a letter to the consumer, and it just feels really personal. So anyways, I won't hound anymore on that, but I just really wanted to share just a few highlights from it because I just thought it was really cool and awesome how they conduct things. Their website really does have a lot of products, skincare, lip care, they have stuff to eat, bug protector, animal health, I mean, pain relief, things like that. Again, I will have it linked in the comments below so you can check everything out. My main focus today is the Udder Balm, but they really do have a really good line of products. Personally, I use them. I love their lip balm. I got my boys using their lip balm. I have my husband using it. So I use it all the time, and I'm gonna get to that and I'm gonna show you guys my routine and how I incorporate it. So now let's get into what's actually in this bad boy. Now this particular one, so I buy it literally by the case. So I buy a lot of it. It's very inexpensive to me, especially if you look on the market and you see all the lotions, all the different things that they have, like body, face, all this stuff. Like, to me, I love it because literally this is like an all-in-one, and it works because, like I said, I do it head to toe, and it just, I can't live without it. Like, I just love it. I can't get over that. So I'm just gonna read a couple things off the bottle. So on this one that I got, it's actually a lemon scent. It's filled with antioxidants, vitamin A and E, aloe vera, lanolin, and vitamin D. And then it kind of talks, it actually has a little icon here, which is really cute, of someone sitting down, and it says head to toe. Another thing I thought was kind of cool is it talks about the different directions. So if you're going to do it for people yourself, you're going to do the people directions. If you're going to use it on your cows, then you have the other directions, which is cool. And then it goes through all the ingredients. And of course it has made in the USA, which I already touched on that when I was reading everything to you guys. And then I'm going to show you, but I mean, it's just a twist top, which they have different ways. And then you just dip, but I mean, they have a pump you can get. They have so many different, you know, they have it in a bottle, like where it comes in a tube. This is how I get it just because I buy in bulk. So, and that's just me. I have on one of my orders I did a long time ago, I got this really cool card that came with it, and it just kind of talked about everything obviously that I'm telling you. They do have it in some retailers. I know they do have their own store, I believe, in Des Moines, Idaho. It also states on here that this is a non-greasy formula that was discovered to work wonders on dry skin, soothing and softening the driest hands, arms, legs, and anywhere else that needs to be from head to toe. One more thing I do want to touch on before I show you guys my routine with the Udder Balm is, so obviously I'm a girl and I shave everything, right? I shave, and this, I get asked about like razor bumps or razor burn and redness and all that stuff, because I know there's been some lotions that have been irritating and they cause that or they prevent that. Honestly, for me, I'm not gonna sit here and say that it prevents it, but for me, I feel like it does because I never get them. And I literally will use this immediately after I always use it after I shower, but I always use it after I shave, and it doesn't burn, it doesn't leave, like a residue, and it doesn't create those razor bumps or anything like that. So that's one thing that I've been asked, I've had my friends or people ask me about before. And then another thing is with my kids. So as a mom, you have so many creams and stuff you can use when your kids get diaper rash. So of course, when I had my first child, I'm already religious with this, and I would have used this on him just like I would. So every time I get him out of the bath, stuff like that. Well, if he would get diaper rash, I would use it instead of, I didn't buy A&D creams. I didn't buy any of that. I literally used the Udder Balm, and he never got diaper rash. It was like a saint. So definitely safe for the babies, stuff like that. And it was definitely a lifesaver for that, because I'd have friends who tell me, oh my gosh, my kids get diaper rash all the time. I'm like, well, that's weird because mine never does. Like, there was a few times where he'd get it, and then I just slather up a little bit more on him, and it would be gone and fine. And it's not irritant. No, it doesn't cause rashing for my kids. Now that we've kind of covered some things about the awesome company and why I love it so much, not only their product, but the actual manufacturing company that's behind it. Now I'm gonna take you guys into the bathroom and we'll check out on how I incorporate the original Udder Balm in my daily routine. That is my current daily routine that I am doing to use the original Udder Balm. So hopefully I gave you guys some tips and tricks and you saw how you can incorporate it into your routine. I will have, again, everything for the original Udder Balm linked below, their website, their contact information. If you are military, they do a military discount. and I will definitely have that linked in below. Also, my husband is ex-military, so that is something that I definitely appreciate when companies are willing to do that. So again, Mark and Becky, thank you so much for I appreciate it. Again, if anyone has a problem clicking on the link, looking online, doing an order, they have the numbers on there. Call them. You will get a live person that you can physically talk to and handle any discrepancies or any issues that you may have with shipping, receiving, ordering, whatever. So be sure to do that. I will have it all linked in the comments below. And yeah, so I just want to thank you guys again for watching my videos, and hopefully this gave you guys some insight and some really awesome diamond in the rough, as I would say. If you guys haven't heard of this product or this company, definitely go check them out and let me know in the comments below what you think. I want to know, did you guys order it, and tell me how you liked it. It's always good to get feedback on feedback, right? So anyways, I want to thank Mark and Becky also with the original Udder Balm, because again, it is a product I have been using almost my whole life, and I'm going to continue to use it and order it from them. I believe in the company and the product that much that I am just happy to do this for you guys and share it with you, because I think it's awesome. And as always guys, please continue to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.